This video is long version. It is for people that do not have MetaMask installed already on their Google Chrome browser. Okay, so this one is longer than the short version. If you know you don't have MetaMask at all on your Google Chrome browser, please watch this video. But if you have MetaMask on your Google Chrome browser already installed and everything set up, your Atla network has been added to your MetaMask wallet, watch the short version. So let's get started. All right, everyone, I am going to be very quick in this my video, but it may run over to maybe 15-20 minutes, but it's a good video. So this is how to claim your free Atla. Okay, if you are in Limitless and you have already registered in BOOSTYFI, you will be able to claim your free Atla that they are giving to every community member. All right, now if you haven't registered in BOOSTYFI, there is a video I have already made showing you how to register in BOOSTYFI. Okay, so please go and watch that video and learn how to register in BOOSTYFI correctly. Remember to use the promo code BRIGHTD. That is my promo code for you to register in BOOSTYFI. The free Atla is given in BOOSTYFI, so we can only go to BOOSTYFI to claim this free Atla. But before we do that, let me quickly go to the Telegram channel and read this information that they dropped. The Limitless family, this one is important. If you haven't registered on BOOSTYFI yet, now is the time. 0.1 unlocked Atla is already waiting in your BOOSTYFI account. Go claim it now. Fully available to withdraw or trade on MEXC. Why register? Because massive updates are coming and access to all the new features, tools and rewards will be available only to registered members in BOOSTYFI. BOOSTYFI is now the main platform for the Limitless community, and then there is a registration link or the URL link for you to register. Remember, a video of how to register correctly has been made by me. Please watch that video. Don't rush and start clicking on this link to register. You don't want to make any mistakes, right? The people that have made mistake, they are finding it difficult to resolve the mistake. So please make sure you follow my registration video in BOOSTYFI and use the promo code BRIGHTD, all lowercase. Now let me show you how to claim your free Atla. For the purpose of this video, if you have not created your MetaMask wallet, because you know that Atla is operating on the EVM wallet network, okay, so you will need a MetaMask wallet for you to claim your Atla. This is the guide which Limitless have provided for us to follow and create our MetaMask wallet and then claim our free Atla on BOOSTYFI. Now I am going to skip from step 1 to step 21, because from step 1 to step 21 is how to set up your MetaMask wallet, and I believe that everybody in my team have set up their MetaMask wallet, because I did a video showing you guys 3 weeks or 1 month ago how to add Atla or Atla to your MetaMask. So you should have done that. Okay, this is the reason why I want to skip from step 1 to step 21, because from step 1 to step 21 is how to create your MetaMask wallet on your Google Chrome browser extension. So I'm going to skip all of that, but don't worry, I'm going to come back to this, right? This is for people that have already completed setting up their MetaMask and adding Atla network to their MetaMask wallet. Okay, I will come back and do all of that, but let's skip to step 21. Okay, so from step 21 is only for people that have MetaMask and they have already set up their ATLA network, right? So now what you then need to do when you get to step 21 is you go to your MetaMask. Okay, let me go to my MetaMask here. You will see my MetaMask that I have already added ATLA on my MetaMask, which is on that ATLA network, right? And you can see that that is my ATLA deposit address here. Can you see it there? Right there. So if you have MetaMask, make sure you have set up ATLA network on that MetaMask. Now, a word of advice: use the same MetaMask wallet that you have used to set up your OTC. Remember, we need MetaMask wallet to set up our OTC, the onboarding for OTC. I have also done a video on how to onboard on OTC. So this is the reason why it is good to be up to date with everything that is happening, because if you are not, you are going to be skipping or missing some key important steps. So for those of you that have already set up your and onboarded on OTC, you have MetaMask wallet with ATLA already on that MetaMask wallet. Okay, so now once you have this set up, just go copy that address. You see it says address copy. Just click on those two square box that will copy your ATLA address, and then you enter your address there on the BOOSTYFI platform. Okay, and then once you enter it there, you click send, and you will see this information. We say the application was successfully created, which means you have claimed your ATLA that they have given to us through the airdrop. Okay, for everybody that have registered. Now that is how to do it, but don't worry, I will show you the actual practical way to do it because I've not claimed mine. But before I show you how to claim mine, let me run through very quickly for those people that have not done their MetaMask yet. Let me quickly run through this. Okay, so if you have set up your MetaMask and you have your ATLA, you don't need to stay on this video because you know what to do now. I've shown you how to copy your ATLA deposit address and go to your BOOSTYFI and then claim it. So for those of you that have not set up their MetaMask yet, this is how to do it. Step 1, in the browser address, enter this link and go to website. So what you need to do is you enter MetaMask extension. Okay, when you type in MetaMask extension, it will come up, and then you should select this link that says MetaMask Chrome Web Store. Okay, when you select it, you will see add to Chrome. So click add to Chrome. When you click add to Chrome, it will come up to say add extension. You click add extension. So that will now add MetaMask to your extension. After installing MetaMask, you pin it to your browser. Okay, so remember, you have to click the puzzle icon to pin it to your browser. Okay, so once that is done, you will now come back and create a new wallet if you don't have MetaMask wallet at all before. But if you do have a MetaMask wallet on your mobile phone, all you need to do is to get your 12-word phrase and select where it says I have an existing wallet, and then it will now ask you to enter your 12-word phrase. You enter your 12-word phrase and then create your password, and then of course complete the process. But for people that are brand new, if you don't have MetaMask wallet, just click create a new wallet. Okay, when you click create a new wallet, it will ask you to use secret recovery phrase. Okay, so click use secret recovery phrase. Once you hit that button, this page will pop up for you to create your password and confirm your password. Once you finish creating your password and confirming your password, you click create password. So that will now create your MetaMask wallet. Now, the next information you will see on the dashboard is get started or remind me later. So you just hit get started. Okay, and then it will go through all the processes of showing you what to do, and then eventually it's going to land you to this page where it says you should tap to review your secret phrase. So at this point, you tap and then your secret phrase will be reviewed. What I will advise you to do is to write it down in the correct order and keep it safe. If someone has secret recovery phrase, they will be able to access your account. So please make sure you write this down. Once you finish writing it down accordingly, the way it is numbered, remember everything is lowercase, double check all the spellings to make sure that there is no mistakes in the ones you have written down. Okay, and please don't share this with anybody, because when you share it with people, it means the person will have access to your account. So once you have done that, click continue. Once you hit continue, this page will open and it will now ask you to confirm your secret recovery phrase. So therefore, you will now begin to select each recovery phrase according to the number that you have copied it into your notebook, right? And then you click continue. Once you finish that, it will give you this information that perfect, that is right. And remember, never share this phrase with anyone. And then you just hit the button, got it. Once you hit the button, got it, this help use improve MetaMask instructions will come up, including of course their privacy policy will appear. So all you need to do is to click agree. Once you click agree, it will take you to this page to tell you that your MetaMask is ready for you to get started. Okay, and then what you then know is you click continue, and then it will now install your MetaMask. Once that is done, the next thing you will then do is you click done. So once that is done, you will see this information to say new account icon. You just click got it, right? And then your MetaMask will be ready to get started. So the next thing you then do is to add the ATLA network to your MetaMask. Okay, so therefore you go to your web browser, you type chainlist.org, okay, and then hit enter on your keyboard. Once you hit enter on your keyboard, this page will open. Once this page open, okay, this is the page you are going to see. Okay, this is the page you are going to see. Once this page open, on your top right corner you will see connect wallet. So hit connect wallet. Okay, once you hit connect wallet, your wallet should be connected to the chainlist.org. Now after that, the next thing you will then do is to search for ATLA network. Okay, so you search for ATLA network right there where it says search networks. So make sure you type the complete words ATLA network, and then once that is typed, you click add to MetaMask. You will see underneath the ATLA network, you click add to MetaMask. So that will now add ATLA network to your MetaMask, and this information will come up to say you should approve it. Okay, so click approve. Once you click approve, the ATLA network will be successfully added to your MetaMask, and you should see this ATLA symbol right inside your MetaMask, just like the way I have it here, right? Let me go back. You see this is my MetaMask, it has this ATLA, right? So this is the right way to add your ATLA network to your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so once after that, on the top left corner there will be a window that is going to pop up. Click on the text 5 network addresses, which is located under the name of your account. Okay, in the appearing window, click on the left copy icon next to the text ATLA network, right? So once that is done, after copying the address, return to BOOSTYFI, okay, because you must have registered in BOOSTYFI, and paste the address into the gray field that says enter your ATLA address. Then click the yellow send button at the bottom. Boom, that's you done, right? So guys, this is for people that don't have MetaMask at all. Okay, From step 1 to step 20 is for people that don't have MetaMask at all, right? But from step 21 to step 23, you have MetaMask already. Just go and copy your address. So guys, this is how to do it. Now let me show you practically how to do it. So I'm going to go to Boostify. So this is Boostify. This is my Boostify account. So what I will then do is I will go to my MetaMask wallet, okay, copy my address, say address copied, and then I click get my reward, and then it says enter your wallet address on the ATLA network. So I click into that and I paste it, okay, and then I will double check it. So this is ED6, the last three, and I have to double check it, ED6, okay, and the first three is OX3. So make sure you double check it before you hit the button send. So now I will click send, and then it says application was successfully created. There you go. So right now I supposed to have my ATLA in my MetaMask wallet. So let's head to my MetaMask wallet and see if my ATLA is there. So my ATLA has not arrived yet, but we have followed the guideline and we have completed successfully claiming our ATLA. It may take few minutes, maybe 45 minutes, maybe 1 hour before the ATLA will reflect on our MetaMask wallet. So guys, just be patient. As long as you have completed claiming your free ATLA, that will be processed when they process it. Okay, just be patient and wait for it to appear on your MetaMask wallet. That is how to claim your ATLA. So there you go, guys. That is it. All done. You know how to claim your free ATLA in Boostify. Thank you, guys, and I will see you in my next video.